What's up, everybody? Like I said, I'm going scavenging for wood for the props. Tonight was a good night. I found everything I needed plus more. I'm like super excited. I got a bunch of free wood. Literally everything I make, all these props for Halloween, are literally technically gonna be free. The only thing I paid for was basically my labor and the screws that I'm using. Other than that, little accessories that I add on if I have to buy them, that's nothing. All right, everybody, good night. See you guys soon. All right, everybody, let me show you exactly what I got. Check out that. Boom. I got all these 2x4s. I got this board here. I mean, I got a lot of good stuff. Let me see if I can show you some more. Let me turn this light on. Look at this. Look at all that. Look at, yep, all these pieces of wood. Look at all that. Bunch of props are here, everybody. Easy, easy, easy. Papitas. Let's get it done. Let's continue. Okay, this is everything. Got all these 2x4s. All of this here. One pallet, I don't know what that is, half pallet. But these are pretty long here. You can see this board. Three crates and two more 2x4s that are about, let's say, 6 feet. Yep. Nice. So I don't have to buy wood after all. Good night.